Everybody, it's Kenneth from Starlity, and in this video, we are going to talk to you about how to manage your profile. So, to go into your profile, you just simply click on your initial right here, click there. So, I click on the K, and it should take me to my profile page. So, over here, we can see my name at the top, this edit button where I can edit my profile. So, if I click the edit button, then I can see my settings. So, I can change my name and I can save it, and I can add all my different social medias, and I can save it. I can change my password. I can add a profile picture, and I can also deactivate my account here. So now if we go back, we can look at the rest of our profile. So this is pretty important. This is your listing catalog. So this is where all your listings would be and the status of all your listings. So as you can see, these two listings are on a draft stage, which means I haven't finished them yet. You can see the quantity sold. You can see the revenue earned from this particular product. You can see your earnings in total, and you can choose what to work on. So if you keep scrolling, you'll see all the different products. Here is the status, and here is where you can go to act on your product. So right now, all of mine are in a finished, want me to finish it. So if I clicked into here, then it would take me to the product where I could finish my listing. Anyways, that's all I have for you for today, for this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. We at Starlity truly hope you're enjoying using the platform. If you do have any inquiries that were not answered in our FAQ or in this video, then please message us and we will try and get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye-bye.